Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VUZI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible moving forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 245 would be that level that you want to see act as support today, and actually a perfect example. Big pullback this morning, and surprise, surprise, you can see the price found some support right at that area before starting to work its way back upwards. So for 245, like I said, that's the level that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support. So a nice sign of power there. But taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the grand scheme of things, just watch that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 50 period moving average. As the name implies, this line is going to move itself higher and higher next week. So the very straightforward way to just gauge the health of the overall movement, that right there is how I'm defining, the overall movement. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 245 would be, best case scenario, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, initial level to watch right up there at the 305 mark. So 305, next key overall level, and nothing fancy behind that other than the fact that that's just where the party finally stopped today. So watch that level. But all in all, as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows like it basically did the entire week, that's what matters most as far as trend building. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.